Hello there, namaste. Hope you're ready to start this day with me. So today we will be focusing on metal element. So for this meditation, we're going to focus on our heart chakra. The reason being, it is the closest to our lungs, and our lungs are governed by metal element. Also, it is a great focus for compassion, for love, for grief, and breath. And that is why we're going to choose our heart chakra. Focus on our heart chakra, keep our hands on our heart like this, and we're going to meditate. Again, I'll be saying a couple of affirmations. Just repeat them after me. A couple of affirmations I'm going to start with is we're going to say 3 times in a row. Like I'm open, I'm open, I'm open, so on and so forth. And after that, we're just gonna go on with affirmations, and then we're just gonna chant om for a little while, and that'll be our day for today. Okay, let's begin. I am open, I am open, I am open. I transform, I transform, I transform. I am fulfilled, I am fulfilled, I am fulfilled. I am full of love, I am full of love, I am full of love. I am charged, I am charged, I am charged. And now we're gonna take our hands and place them over our heart chakra. I breathe with clarity and let go what no longer serves me. I honor my boundaries and uphold my strength. With each breath, I let go what no longer serves and welcome new. I am worthy, I am valuable, just as I am. Letting go creates space for new inspiration. I embrace wisdom and focus on silence and grow. I accept nature's rhythm and accept everything that comes with that. My inner structure mirrors my outer experience. I refine my thoughts, intentions with my actions. I allow myself to process all emotions with compassion. I release the past with grace and welcome the wisdom it gives me. I value myself deeply and honor my essence. As I let go, I feel lighter, freer, and more aligned. My breath is my anchor, guiding me to my center. I am connected to the rhythm of nature and cycle of change. I allow stillness to reveal what really matters. With each exhale, I shed layers of my past, which I don't want to carry forward. Discipline brings me freedom and focus. I refine my energy like metal forged by fire, strong and clear. I honor my grief as my sacred teacher. I create sacred space within and around me. Through letting go, I return to my essence. I trust the intelligence of my body, especially my breath. I choose simplicity, clarity, and purpose in all that I do. I let go with ease. I welcome endings, knowing that they lead me to new beginning. My lungs are open, strong, and full of light, giving and receiving energy, positive energy. I only take what I need and I release the rest. My presence is refined, calm, and luminous. Like autumn leaves, I allow what no longer needed fall away. I live with integrity, guided by my inner compass. Now we're gonna chant Om. 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 So for today's video, let's pick out a card. I'll just pick something randomly that I'm feeling drawn to. Okay, so today's card is reframing a tough moment, a great card. Self-compassion is the great reframer. It allows you to take a tough moment and quickly turn it around into a gentler and more doable one. It does this through immediate self-understanding. The more you practice self-compassion, the more you will meet each difficult moment with curiosity and wonderment, rather than criticism, and come to understand that each difficult moment is really a request to look deeper within. It is asking for your understanding and for you to drop in and discover that there are very good reasons you are feeling and reacting the way you are in this very moment. But of course, I'm feeling and responding this way. So for practice working with tough moments, take a comfortable seat and close your eyes. Place a hand on your heart or somewhere else on your body that feels soothing and comforting in this moment. Recall your last moment of struggle and meet it with curiosity. What was happening in that challenging moment? What do you understand about it? Meet it now with the gentle words of self-understanding. But of course, I was feeling this way. But of course, I was responding this way. Thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful day in this beautiful meditation. I'll see you next time.